Hi everyone, in this video with Bizzi Art, I'm going to do a review on one of my products. This is the Origami for Beginners by Michael G. LaFosse. Let's check it out. What I like about this book is that it's really simple, it's really straightforward. As you open up, you've got the symbols there that you can refer to. So I'll just flip through the book to give you an idea of what it's like. Here's all the fabulous things you can make. So as you get into the book, it'll give you some background information on origami. You'll have the symbols explained and a couple of techniques. Then from here, you get stuck into the models. So you've got a variety of traditional designs. So you've got your crane, the teacup, a few other things, and they're pretty easy to follow. I didn't have too much of an issue with like the diagram getting stuck on some things. That didn't really happen too often. I quite like the pinwheel. I know different ways of how to do that, so that was a cool alteration. And then you've got your sailboat, which is lots of fun. And here's the crane. There are really cool ideas in this book, and there were a few that I just never made before, so I really enjoyed learning some of those, like the dart glider, the hibiscus flower, and even the pagoda tower. They were really enjoyable to make. There were a couple of tricky ones, like a sink fold in the toucan, or trying to slot the hibiscus flower together. Apart from that, everything was reasonably easy to make. As always, keep folding, keep practicing, and have patience. This book is a good resource for people who are brand new to origami that want to try it out, or if you're someone who has done it a while ago and you want to get back into it. It's a gentle introduction to all the things that you have done before, just giving yourself a reminder of the techniques and different things that you do to make origami itself. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I've got the link down below so you can check out my product online. Happy folding and thanks for watching.